In this video we will find the last digit of 1 times 2 times 3 up to 27, minus the product of odd numbers up to 27. We'll keep each step visible and explain why the final digit is what it is. First, consider 27 factorial. We only need its last digit. Any factor 10 contributes a trailing 0 to a factorial. Every 10 comes from a pair of 2 and 5 in the prime factorization. Let's count how many 5s appear in 27 factorial. Multiples of 5 inside 1 to 27 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. But note, 25 contributes 2 factors of 5 because 25 equals 5 squared. Count factors of 5 using floor division. Floor of 27 over 5 is 5. Floor of 27 over 25 is 1. So total 6 factors of 5. There are many more factors of 2. So there are at least 6 tens in 27 factorial. Meaning 27 factorial ends with 6 zeros. In particular, the last digit of 27 factorial is 0. Now consider the product of odd numbers up to 27. We only need its last digit. So we will compute the product modulo 10 and focus on last digits as we multiply. Multiply the first two odds. 1 times 3 equals 3. Then multiply by 5 to get 15, which ends with digit 5. Observe that 5 times any odd number, written as 2k plus 1, equals 10k plus 5, which is congruent to 5 modulo 10. So once the partial product ends with 5, every subsequent multiplication by an odd number keeps the last digit 5. Therefore, the whole product of odd numbers up to 27 ends in 5. Finally, subtract. The last digit of 27 factorial is 0. Minus the last digit 5 gives minus 5, which is congruent to 5 modulo 10. So the resulting last digit is 5.